How to change your device name on an Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your device name on Android phone. It's quite simple and quite easy. All you have to do is you can simply open up settings on your device. You can simply head into settings by tapping on the settings icon or the settings tab, or you can scroll down the notification bar and then tap on the settings with the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you'll be headed to this page, right? Now here what you want to do is you want to scroll down to the very bottom and you want to find the option that says about phone. As you can see there on the screen, about phone option at the bottom, tap on it. Once you tap on it here under about phone, you can see the Samsung, and below it you can see edit option. You can simply tap on that edit option there and you'll be able to change your device name. You can simply set it to any name that you want and your device will be stored up in that name as true on hotspot or Bluetooth sharing and such. So this way you can change your device name on an Android phone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.